Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. If you've ever dreamt of turning your creative ideas into stunning physical realities, whether that's custom t-shirts, intricate decals for your car, professional-looking signs for your business, or even personalized gifts, then you are in for a treat. We're talking about the new VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter with SignMaster software. And let me tell you, this machine is a game-changer for creators, entrepreneurs, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Get ready to have your expectations blown away. First off, let's talk about scale, because with this VEVOR plotter, size definitely matters. Are you tired of being limited by small cutting mats and having to tile together larger designs? Well, say goodbye to those frustrations. This beast boasts a 28-inch large cutting area, specifically a max paper feed of 28.3 inches or 720 millimeters, and a max cutter width of 24.8 inches or 630 millimeters. That's a massive canvas for your creativity. Imagine crafting professional-grade signs, large banners, or intricate wall decals all in one go. This isn't just about bigger projects. It's about efficiency and professionalism. The thickened, high-quality aluminum body and powerful stepper motors ensure that this machine isn't just big, it's incredibly robust and reliable, ready to handle continuous work with consistent performance. It truly opens up a world of possibilities for small businesses looking to expand their offerings or hobbyists wanting to tackle more ambitious designs. But what good is a large cutting area if your cuts aren't absolutely perfect? This brings us to its standout feature: high-precision operation. The VEVOR plotter is engineered for accuracy that will impress even the most discerning crafter. The intuitive LED digital panel puts you in complete control, allowing you to easily adjust cutting pressure from 10 to 500 grams and cutting speed from 10 to a blazing 800 millimeters per second. The clear readout and tactile buttons make fine-tuning a breeze, ensuring you get the exact results you need for any material. And here's the kicker. The blade accuracy is an astonishing 0.0004 inches or 0.01 millimeters. That level of precision means you can achieve incredibly intricate details, razor-sharp corners, and perfectly legible tiny text without any jagged edges or frustrating mishaps. Whether you're working with delicate vinyl for apparel or thicker cardstock for invitations, this machine delivers consistent, professional-grade cuts every single time, minimizing waste and maximizing your creative output. Now, let's talk about value and getting started right out of the box. One of the things that truly sets this VEVOR plotter apart is the ample accessories it comes with. You're not just getting a machine, you're getting a complete creative starter kit. It includes 5 extra rolls of 23x 39-inch pieces of vinyl in essential colors: black, white, red, blue, and yellow. This means you can start creating immediately without waiting for additional supplies. But it doesn't stop there. You also get a utility knife, a ball pen core for drawing and tracing, and a whopping 10 blades, ensuring you're well-stocked for countless projects. This comprehensive package is an absolute godsend for beginners, eliminating the guesswork and hidden costs often associated with new equipment. For seasoned pros, it's just incredible added value that saves you time and money. Beyond the hardware, its superior compatibility makes integration seamless. Equipped with both COM and USB interfaces, it offers versatile connection options, and VEVOR even includes the powerful SignMaster software to get you designing right away. It supports DM/PL and HP/GL languages and is compatible with Windows XP up to Windows 11. Just a note for our Mac users, it's not currently compatible with Mac OS. This machine truly excels in wide applications, cutting everything from heat transfer vinyl and paper to craft paper, cardstock, and even paint masks. It's extensively used in advertising, decoration, DIY, label, and logo-making fields, making it an indispensable tool for so many different ventures. So, if you're serious about taking your creative projects, your small business, or even just your DIY hobby to the next level, the VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter is an investment that truly pays off. Its large cutting area, unparalleled precision, and generous accessory package make it an outstanding choice for anyone looking to transform their digital designs into tangible masterpieces. Don't just dream about your perfect creations. Start making them with the VEVOR plotter. You can find the link in the description below to check out the VEVOR 720mm vinyl cutting plotter for yourself and unleash your full creative potential. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and let me know in the comments what amazing projects you'd create with this machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you